So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are sharing some Teachers Day school decoration ideas. So this video is totally helpful for you and very usable for you. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. In this video, a lot of Teachers Day school decoration ideas. You can decor your class, and even you can decor a corridor like structure, some kind of stage decoration. All ideas are super stunning and super creative. These are most easy ideas. So if you want to prepare a notice board and if you want to ready a notice board soft board like on Teachers Day, then you can also make it. Add some kind of pencils, add some kind of models of teachers. You can make some kind of this like structure if you are not good at art and craft. These are super excited. Add some kind of flowers, some kind of quotations. These are super stunning ideas. So take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download this video for later use. So whenever you will be free, you can watch the video and select the idea that you like the most. And we shared a lot of stuff related to Teachers Day, such as Teachers Day handmade card ideas and others such as Teachers Day gifting ideas, Teachers Day die gifts, creative handmade gifts. So you can also visit our channel for such kind of videos. And if you want a video on your favorite topic, then you can also comment in the comment section. We will definitely make video on such topics for you. So guys, hope you like the video. So if you like the video, so kindly subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.